Removing Calendly branding from your booking page gives it a more professional appearance and aligns it with your brand identity. Here's how to do it. Log into your Calendly account. Start by signing into your Calendly account. Access account settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account settings from the drop-down menu. Go to the branding section. In the left sidebar, click on branding. This section allows you to manage the appearance of your Calendly booking page. Enable custom branding. Depending on your Calendly plan, you may have the option to enable custom branding. For the Pro and Premium plans, you can toggle on the Remove Calendly branding option. This removes the Calendly logo and other identifying marks from your booking page. Add your logo. You can further customize your page by uploading your own logo, which will replace the Calendly logo. Save changes. After making your selections, click Save Changes to apply the updates. Review your booking page. Preview your booking page to ensure that the Calendly branding has been successfully removed.